Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Before we begin cooking, it's essential to properly prepare your quinoa. Measure out exactly 1 cup of dry quinoa, then place it into a fine mesh sieve. Rinse it under cold running water for about 30 seconds to a minute, using your fingers to agitate the grains. This crucial step removes the naturally occurring saponin, which is a bitter coating, ensuring your quinoa tastes wonderfully mild and delicious. It makes all the difference. Once rinsed, transfer your quinoa into a medium-sized saucepan. Now, measure 2 cups of water or vegetable broth and add it to the pan with the quinoa. For a boost of flavor, stir in a small pinch of salt, perhaps about a 1/4 teaspoon. This 1:2 ratio of quinoa to liquid is the golden rule for achieving perfectly cooked individual grains every time, preventing it from becoming mushy. Place your saucepan on the stove over medium-high heat and bring the quinoa and liquid mixture to a vigorous boil. As soon as it reaches a rolling boil, immediately reduce the heat to the lowest setting possible. Cover the saucepan tightly with a lid. This traps the steam inside, allowing the quinoa to cook evenly. Let it gently simmer for exactly 15 minutes without peaking at all. After the 15-minute simmering time is up, carefully remove the saucepan from the heat source. It's really important to keep the lid on during this next step. Let the quinoa rest, undisturbed, for another 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to fully dissipate and the grains to plump up perfectly, ensuring a light and fluffy texture. Finally, uncover and gently fluff it with a fork. And there you have it, perfectly cooked, fluffy quinoa ready to elevate any meal. You can serve this versatile grain as a nutritious base for a vibrant Buddha bowl, a healthy side dish for grilled chicken, or even cold in a refreshing salad. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they'll stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.